Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to create CRUD operation. CRUD is create, read, update and delete operations in ASP.NET Core MVC application. So creating CRUD, create, read, update, delete operation in ASP.NET Core MVC application involve several steps. Below is the step-by-step guide for the implementing CRUD operations in an ASP.NET Core MVC project. So there is a tutorial link. We'll go through that and same document will be available on tutorial link. So here prerequisites are there. Visual Studio any version supporting ASP.NET Core MVC, basic knowledge of C Sharp and ASP.NET Core MVC, and SQL Server database for the database operations. Step 1. Set up your ASP.NET Core MVC project. Create a new ASP.NET Core MVC project. Open your Visual Studio. Now I'm opening my Visual Studio. So here I'll go to the file new and project. So file new and project. So if I am going through the code without continue without code, then I have to go through that same way and you can create a new project. So Visual Studio is open now. Now I'm going to file new and project. Here we'll choose ASP.NET Core Web App MVC model view and controller. So you can click here also, and if you're not finding the recent project template, then you can go down. You will get to know ASP.NET Core Web App Model View and Controller. You can click check this one. Click on next. Here you have to put your application name. So I'm giving the name of the product card. Okay. As per your requirement, you can give the name. That's not issue. So click on next. Remove HTTPS from here and click on create. Creating project. Meanwhile, go through the next step. So install the necessary packages. Okay, I'll do it and configure the database connection. So I'm opening the SQL Server Management Studio. So Visual Studio is ready now. Here you can able to see your solution explorer. Your project will be there. So product card will be there, and this default document files will be available with this. Now I am going to install packages, .NET Framework Core and these things. So I'm going through the NuGet Package Manager and Package Manager console. So go to your tools, NuGet Package Manager and Manage Packages console. I'm going to run one by one. So copy this, click on enter. Okay, done. Next. So this is for the SQL Server. Next, I'm going to install Entity Framework Tools. So SQL Server is also open now. Let me connect with that. So create a new database. There's a CRUD core DB. So same database I'm going to create here. Right click on that, new database. Give the name. Click on OK. So initially we don't have any table now. We'll update the database from Visual Studio. So installation is done. CRUD DB is also created. Now define the connection string. So open app settings.json and add the connection string of your SQL Server. Open this, copy this one and go to the app settings.json and add the connection string. So I'm running with the local host. Database is a CRUD core DB and trusted connection true. Trust server certificate is true and multiple active result set is true. So I'm just passing this parameter attributes with that connection string. Next, create the database content class. So right click on the model folder and add class. So class name will be the appdb contains.cs. These are the simple steps you have to follow. So add, there will be the class. Putting my class name. Okay. Open this one. Now I'm going to add the my class. So namespace will be name of your projects. So just like product card and any other project you are creating, so you will get the same name. Put there and automatically yes, I have to add the Microsoft Entity Framework core. So edit. Now I'm getting error with the dataset product. So we are not created that one. So we'll create the another model. So register the DB context to the program.css. So copy this line, open program.cs. So programs.cs will be there, and I'm going to add here. Next, create the model. So open the web.config file, add the connection string. Again, I'm adding the connection string. Okay, by mistake I have written this one. Initial catalog. Okay, I'll remove this one. So fourth, create the model. So right click on the model folder, and I'm creating the product model and add the following properties. So I'll add those. So right click on the model, add to the add class, and here I'll add all the things. So inside the product, public int id and get set, string name, description, and this will be the, we'll change this one, decimal price. Okay, added all the properties. Go to the next. Add migration and update the database. Run the following command to the package manager console. So I'm running this one. Add migration initial create. So go to tools and go to the package manager console. Add migration initial create. So build is started. You can able to see here. In the CRUD operation, you have the initial simple steps are there. You can go through one by one and you can easily configure this one. Next is add migration, create products tables. So we have created the database. We have not created the product table. So it will create the product table. So build succeeded. In table, you can able to see we don't have any table. So click on paste, add migration, create product table. So this part is also done. So now refresh the table. Still we don't have any table because we have to update the database. So now I'm running the update database. So done. So now go to your database and refresh that one. You will able to see there is a product table will be created there. And if you select that one, select 1000 rows, then we don't have any data now. So next step, go through the step by step. So next, create the controller, add a controller, right click on the controller folder, add and controller. So go to your database. Now I'm going to build and rebuild your product. I'm rebuilding the my project. Next, I'm going to the my product. Go right click on the controller, add. There will be the controller in the top. So add controller. Select MVC controller with a view using the entity framework. Click on add. In model class, select product, CRUD model, and DB context class, add DB context, and just click on add. So building that, and scaffolding is adding on that. Okay, added. Now you can able to see all the data are added on that. So add the controller is completed. Now Visual Studio will generate view of the create, edit, delete, and details and index. So a product controller will be all CUD operation. So this is my product controller. You can able to see there is a controller, and this is DB context, view, task, and this is create, edit. So these things are created there. Now I'm going to add a navigation. So here, add an application, update the set layout.cs HTML file. So go to the views, set layout. Here I am going to add. So as per my controller name is products, products, and action name is index. It will go to the products. So I have added the this one into the menu. So now I am going to run F5. So building is started. So this is open now. Now click on the products. So this is the index page, and we don't have any data now. Now I'm clicking on the create new. I'm adding one product, product 1, some description, price 1, 2, 3, and click on create. So when I'm just clicking the create, the data is added to the field, and you can able to check into the database. The data is added to the database. So now if you want to add, edit, and I'm creating one more and we'll test it. Product 2, description 2, and price 1, 2, 3 print. Just click on create. So both the data are added. If you go to the details, so in case we are reading the data, we will be able to see all the data here. Back to the list. And if you want to delete, edit also, I'm just showing you the edit. So I'm changing into my product, my description, and this one is should I'm changing the price 2234. Just click on save. So you can able to check my product, my description, and price also change, and all the details, whatever the details we are changing, 3 details are there. This is changing into that. And now I'm going to delete. You click on delete, and there is a delete. So data is deleted from the database. So in this video we have learned how to create CRUD operation, that is a create, read, delete, create, read, update and delete operation in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Step by step process is given there. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section and follow the process shown in the video. Subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.